In this video, I'm going to show you how to open Google Classroom. So to open Google Classroom, firstly open Chrome browser and sign in your Google account with Gmail. Then click on these dots. Scroll down and here you will find icon for Google Classroom. So just click on it. Click on continue. Now create or join your first class. If you want to create class, so click on it. Select this box. So check it and click on continue. Give the class name, section, subject. Select any subject, room, then click on create. Invite students to your class, add students on the people page, or give them the class code to join. So you can invite some people. You can customize your class, so you can select any theme. So select a theme as your class subject. Here is the class code. So invite people and give this code to join. You can create and schedule announcement from here. You can share something with your class, post now or plan ahead. You can choose when to share this post with your class. Post work to student right away. Pick a date your post will appear. Save a draft and finish later. Class work. Assign a work to your class here. Create assignments and questions. Use topics to organize classwork into models or unit. And people. So you want to join and invite, so click on this plus icon. Now type a name or email, and also you can send and share this invitation link. You can give more email for students to join, then click on invite. So you will see all invited students list here. Here are some action you can remove, and also you can email. Grade. Your class doesn't have any students. Add students in the people page, so you can give the grade and you can esteem. So this is the students email. So we'll got the invitation link here. like this. So your student will join here. You've been invited to join this test class. You are assigned in as Nakshari. So click on join. Continue. So now you can see your student is joined in this class. Refresh it. Share something with your class. You will select student all or any particular student, then click on post. Now refresh it. So you will see here hi from teacher or any student. So like this friends, you can open and use Google Class on laptop on Windows 10 PC. Thanks for watching.